Aqua friends. Today I will give you some tips on how to make a relaxing abstract watercolor painting. My first tip is start off with an idea or an inspiration. My second tip is to use some of your favorite colors to do your abstract painting. I used some of my favorite jewel tone colors: ISO Yellow Deep, Transparent Pyrrole Orange, Quinacridone Red, and Quinacridone Scarlet. And my inspiration was that memory on a warm sunny day. I just felt this incredible sensation of feeling the warm sun on my face, and so I decided to try to capture that memory by painting. My favorite colors worked out great for this memory because you do have those colors, and the back of your eyelids you have the fleshy tones and oranges and the reds, and then the bright yellow from the sun reflecting. So this is me capturing using my favorite colors, and it's just a very wonderful way to practice mindfulness. And the journaling that I did by making this poem only adds to the experience of helping you to relax and kind of just de-stress from all the stressful things in life that we have to deal with nowadays. So that would be my third tip, is to enhance the experience by using journaling to express yourself, not only by using color and painting and using your senses that way, but also writing it down on paper and verbally expressing yourself. Also, there are no rules when you're doing an abstract painting, which makes it completely stress-free. I'm adding in my yellow sunspots, and I am drawing lots of lines just to represent the branches that I saw on my retinas when I closed my eyes. This was a very fun project, and it was so fun to write down my thoughts too and just be totally submersed in it. My fourth and final tip is to enhance your senses with the use of taste and smell. And what do I mean by that? Get your favorite candle, light your candle, enjoy the wonderful scent while you're painting, and of course, why not have a beverage by your side as well? I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks to doing an abstract painting, and let me know if you will give it a shot.